It's important to check in with your client before the service. Be sure to review any maintenance and expectations at every appointment. Drape your client with a towel. These are the items you will need for your service. Apply roll-off remover underneath the CNC base. Gently massage to distribute the product. Allow the client to soak for 5 to 15 minutes. Continue to massage the base gently and begin to peel the base away from the adhesive. Once the CNC is removed, set it aside for cleaning. Massage the adhesive area to begin to foam the roll-off remover. Using your fingers, gently lift the adhesive away from the hair and scalp. Next, use a wide tooth comb to comb out adhesive, being sure to wipe the comb on the paper towels in between. Once the majority of the adhesive has been removed from the hair, use a fine tooth comb to wipe out any residue. Once this step is complete, towel blot the hair using paper towels to remove as much excess roll-off as possible. Apply hygienizing shampoo directly to the hair without adding any water at this step. Massage and foam the shampoo, continuing to add more shampoo as you go. Blot the excess shampoo out of the hair with a paper towel and rinse well. Between shampooing, be sure to use a degreasing cleanser to clean the bowl of any roll-off or residue. Repeat the shampoo process until it's completely clear of roll-off and adhesive in the hair. Rinse well and towel dry the hair. Apply the appropriate scalp mask for your client. And cover with a cap. Place the client under the Vapozono steamer for 15 to 20 minutes. To clean the CNC base in the hair, start by using the natural alcohol for CNC use on cotton to remove the excess adhesive from the base. Only use a Tivasol on the hair where adhesive is difficult to get out of the edges. Next, clean the base with lab shampoo. Clean the hair with hygienizing shampoo to remove any roll-off. Repeat the shampooing process until all solvent is removed. Do not use conditioner yet. Put the CNC into the ultrasonic bath. Shampoo and condition the client's hair, applying conditioner on the ends only. Dry a client's hair completely. And apply the eye shield goggles or a disposable visor for your client. Place the client under the trichoglam using protocol number 1 blue light and turn off the lights. Be sure to dry the CNC base really well and apply it back on the 3D printed head form. Be sure the CNC base is completely dry before reapplication. Now you can prepare the CNC and your client for reapplication.